broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going to repair. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. That's it. Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Excellent. That's great. Let's install the new parts in the engine. You're so smart. Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Yay! It works! There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Keep going. Awesome! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. You solved the problem! Something is dripping here. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. You're so smart. Wonderful. Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Keep going. Perfect. Now let's paint. Super duper! Great job! All done! Now help to assemble Excavator! All done! Uh-oh! Something's broken! Drag the scanner to check it out! You're so smart! Super! We need to take parts off the Bulldozer! Keep going! Perfect! Well, it all needs to be fixed. There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart! Wonderful! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Yay! It worked! There's something wrong with the wires. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Super! That's it! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Perfect. Plug the wire into the right place. Red. Blue. Violet. Green. Yellow. You solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble, Bulldozer! All done! Now we can upgrade the parts! Go to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Keep going. Let's go! 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Congratulations! I'm impressed. You got a sticker for your great work. Unwrap the reward, starting at the top. Wow! What an amazing sticker! You collected all stickers for this vehicle. Click on the button to finish.